So, good morning, everyone. I am Alif Shah. I am delighted to get this opportunity to come in front of you all and share my views on the topic that should reservation be or not. Well, I personally believe that it should not be. Why? I am going to tell you some effective reasons behind it. So, before starting, I want to tell you that what is reservation. Reservation is a process by which lower caste people, means SC, ST, OBC people, get exemption. Like they get exemption in exams, whether that is competitive exams or that is simple exam. And at first, I am going to tell you about exams. Lower caste people, they get exemption in both kind of exams, in competitive exams and in simple exams also. I will give you example of both. Firstly, I am giving you example of simple exam. There was a girl in my class. She used to belong from OBC caste. And at the time of exam, what our class teacher used to say to us? She used to say to us that you all will have to pass exam on 29 marks. But she used to say to that girl that you can pass exam on 15 marks. So see, is it not discrimination? Of course it is discrimination. And now I am going to give you example of competitive exam. Nowadays what is happening here, that lower caste people, they can pass NEET exam on 500 marks. Not they can pass, they can get government job. But upper caste people, for getting government job, they will have to get 650 or more than it. After that, they will be able to get government job. So of course it is discrimination, because upper caste people also do hard work for getting government job.
First of all, I would say leave the debate, leave the topic. I just want to meet the teacher who said that you are from OBC, you can pass the exam on 15 marks. I believe me, I am from OBC, but I didn't get any teacher still. I have been studying for last 10 years. I didn't get any teacher who said to me, you are from OBC, Ishan, you will be able to pass the exam on 15 marks.
It means
Means
you have
where
a
is it
certificate
happening?
of OBC.
And if reservation is given also, so there is not this much difference of 14 numbers. Like if you have to become the doctor, so if someone is from upper caste, so he will have to score 90. If there is a person from SC, ST and wait. If there is a person from SC, ST and OBC, he will get 50, then he will become the doctor. Nothing like this happens. There is not this much difference. There is difference of 5%, at least maximum 10%, not more than this. Okay. Next thing I would like to tell you, the problem solving. Reservation has proved that it is problem solving for the people. Like we can take example of Mayawati. She was CM of Uttar Pradesh earlier and she was from ST. When she became the CM, so it was said and it was seen by the people that whole community, all the people who were from ST caste in Uttar Pradesh, their condition started mending. Why? Means a person who is from society, he can mend his society. Like we are Muslims. There is no non-Muslim person who can mend our society, our Muslims' ways. But if there's a person like Asaduddin Owaisi, so he can mend our ways if he gets a chance. So that's what reservation is giving to the public.
Okay, first of all, tell me, do you have certificate of OBC?
Yes, of course I have.
I don't believe you are
Why
lying.
don't you believe?
Because if you had OBC certificates, of course your teacher used to say to you, but you didn't show OBC certificate to her, so that's why she didn't say to you. And now, let me speak. Now I want to give answer to Bashir. Don't think that I am roasting you. I am asking that are you mad? Okay, you said that suppose it is blackboard. Now tell what is it? Yeah, you said that it is blackboard, and after that you said that now tell it. Tell what is it? She said blackboard. So that was blackboard. That was blackboard. That was
Okay.
marked by black.
Let me clear a misconception of Bashir Bhai's example. As people are thinking that Bashir Bhai asked, what is this? And people said that it is black ball, but Bashir Bhai said it is white. I would say that he did not say, what is this, by writing like this. What is this? He said, what is this? He did not put his finger on it. He did not say that, what is this? He did not say what I have drawn. What is this? No, he just gave an example that
But
people
he
focus.
said
Wait,
that
wait, 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 wait. He just wanted to tell us that what people do. People focus on negativity instead of positivity. So we should focus on that. Next thing I would like to talk about the Bangladesh people. Sophia, she is not present here, but she can watch the video if he uploads. So she was mentioning about Bangladesh that there is reservation. So Bangladesh's reservation is totally problematic since starting, since beginning. Means we are not comparing Bangladesh reservation with India. We don't favor Bangladesh reservation. It is different. Okay.
Okay. So, first of all, don't think that you will confuse me and I will be confused. And now, I want to give answer to the intelligent person of this academy, Rayyan. He said that
Yeah, I speak.
I forget that what he said. He said that someone said that misbehave can happen in a positive way. So tell me, can it happen? Misbehave can't happen in a positive way.
Why?
All,
Didn't he prove? Means she's saying
Okay,
that wait, let me speak now. She's saying that Rayyan said misbehave cannot be done in a positive way. Didn't he prove this thing? If you have paid your attention, so you would have understood that what he wants to say. That was only word. Focus on his
Give me
speech, what he
chance.
mentioned, what he wanted to speak.
okay, it means he doesn't know the actual meaning of misbehave.
Okay, you tell. Tell.
Misbehave means
Misbehave means misbehave.
bad behavior. Can tell me, can misbehave happen in a good way?
Yes, good way. It can happen. Should I show? Means
It's your
listen.
mentality.